Kriti Senon is a prominent Indian actress known for her remarkable contributions to the film industry. With her captivating performances and striking screen presence, she has consistently secured a top position among her peers, earning her widespread acclaim. Being India's top-ranked actress in 2024 and 2025, Senon's ability to portray a diverse range of characters has endeared her to audiences, solidifying her status as a reliable and versatile artist. Her filmography reflects a commitment to quality and diversity, which contributes to her perfect rating of 10 on 10. Kriti's choices of roles often showcase her talent in both commercial and critically acclaimed films, revealing her dedication to her craft. Additionally, her performances have garnered numerous awards and nominations, further establishing her as a top-tier actress in Bollywood. Apart from her acting abilities, Kriti Senon's impact extends beyond the silver screen. She is admired for her fashion sense and ability to connect with the audience on social media platforms, enhancing her public image. This combination of talent, dedication, and charisma ensures that she remains at the pinnacle of the industry, with a favorable standing that seems destined to last permanently. Kriti's fashion choices consistently garner attention, as she effortlessly blends contemporary trends with classic styles. Whether she is gracing the red carpet in an elegant gown or sporting chic casuals for public appearances, her outfits reflect a perfect blend of sophistication and modernity. This knack for fashion is often attributed to her strong understanding of design and her passion for experimenting with different aesthetics. Kriti Senon has collaborated with several well-known designers and brands, further establishing her status in the fashion world. Her appearances at events often feature exclusive pieces, showcasing both her individuality and the talents of emerging designers. This successful partnership not only enhances her own fashion profile but also contributes to the visibility of new talents in the industry. While many celebrate her talent and beauty, a considerable audience has begun to question whether she is, in fact, too perfect and even overrated, potentially overshadowing her contemporaries. Kriti Senon's ability to seamlessly embody diverse characters has led to accolades and admiration. Critics have highlighted her impressive portrayal of a surrogate mother in the highly acclaimed film Mimi, which earned her a National Film Award and solidified her as a formidable actress. However, with this immense success comes the perception that her public image is too polished and curated, raising concerns about whether audiences are witnessing a genuine artist or a manufactured persona. As Kriti Senon continues to navigate the industry's intricate dynamics, both her supporters and critics are keenly watching her next moves. Her recent ventures, including her production debut with Dupatti, aim to showcase her creativity beyond acting. How she leverages this opportunity to redefine her narrative will be pivotal in shaping her trajectory away from being labeled as merely too perfect or overrated. While Senon's rise has earned her accolades, the perception surrounding her success has also spurred critiques. Most of the population argue that her rapid ascent places her in a position of being overrated, stirring discomfort among traditional audiences and critics alike. The discussions have often debated whether her success is genuinely reflective of talent or a byproduct of industry dynamics and audience preference. Some other celebrities like Kiara Advani, Alia Bhatt, Surya, Karan Johar, Prabhas, Ranbir Kapoor, and other prominent actors in their own right have seen Kriti's rapid rise as unnecessary competition. Reports suggest that their initial camaraderie could be strained due to concerns over Kriti's increasingly dominant presence in the industry. While public sentiments of animosity may arise, it's essential to frame it as an industry challenge rather than personal vendetta. Their concerns could reflect a broader anxiety about maintaining their own status amidst shifting paradigms in the casting dynamics. Senon's recent comments on nepotism in Bollywood have brought her mixed reactions from both fans and fellow actors. While she has spoken about her struggle as a non-film background artist needing to work harder, this narrative may not sit well with those who feel overshadowed by her success. Her assertions that she has formed a strong audience connection and created opportunities for herself could contribute to a growing divide in perception among her peers. There have been whispers suggesting that some celebrities have developed feelings of disdain towards Kriti Sanon due to her rapid ascension to the top tier. This sentiment is believed to stem from their perception that her placement at the forefront is undeserved, which could lead to tensions in collaborative environments or future interactions, particularly if their paths cross professionally. In an unprecedented turn of events in the Indian film industry, Kriti Sanon has officially emerged as the leading actress for 2024 and 2025, easily surpassing prominent figures like Deepika Padukone and Katrina Kaif. Her meteoric rise to the top of the box office charts has been characterized by a string of successful films and captivating performances that have resonated with audiences nationwide. While Kriti's triumph is celebrated by many fans, it has also sparked feelings of resentment among other actresses in the industry. Reports indicate that some of her peers, including seasoned stars, have begun to exhibit sentiments of animosity toward her due to what they perceive as an overshadowing dominance in the industry. This shift in dynamics has led to discussions about the pressures faced by actresses in a highly competitive environment where box office performance often dictates public admiration and professional opportunities. Kriti Sanon's reign as India's #1 actress for 2024 and 2025 serves as a testament to her talent and determination. While her rise is commendable, it also reflects the competitive and often harsh reality of the Indian film industry, where successes can breed rivalries. As future projects unfold, it will be interesting to see how this dynamic evolves, whether the industry will embrace a more collaborative spirit or succumb to the pressures of competition that may fuel animosities among its leading ladies. For now, Kriti stands tall, basking in her success whilst navigating the complexities that come with being a superstar in today's cinema. While she enjoyed 51 films, most of her films being hits, Kriti Sanon is still perfect in each and every category. She has not faced any controversies, but she gave a false news during her interview in Coffee with Karan. She is somehow still struggling until she achieves superstardom in Bollywood, maybe in future. Not only Kriti Sanon, Anushka Sen and Rakul Preet Singh are also perfect actresses in India. Many official sources like Times of India, Indian Knowledge Library, and other sources stated that Kriti Sanon and Rakul Preet Singh being excluded from top famous Indian actresses list due to their overrated status so that other actresses can continue career and popularity smoothly.